Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we get right to the heart of the best products on the market. And today, we're looking at the Dirt Devil Endura Reach Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum promises full-sized power with advanced performance, targeting everything from carpet to hard floors. It's lightweight, compact, and best of all, designed to give you a no-worry clean with its Endura filtration system. Stick with me as we break down what this vacuum has to offer, including how well it handles the messes you deal with every day. The Dirt Devil Endura Reach is an upright, corded vacuum that brings some serious cleaning power to your home. It comes equipped with the Endura filtration system, designed to deliver strong suction without any loss of power. That's a key feature for anyone tired of vacuums that fade halfway through the job. For those wondering, suction power is crucial for maintaining a consistent clean, especially when dealing with stubborn dirt, pet hair, or debris. Whether you're cleaning deep pile carpet or bare floors, this vacuum is built to handle it all. It also boasts a CleanPath technology brush roll, which ensures it transitions smoothly between different floor types. This can be especially useful if your home has a mix of carpet, rugs, and hardwood. With this model, you're also getting an extra long 10-foot extension wand, making it easier to clean those hard-to-reach spots, like high shelves or behind furniture. When it comes to ease of use, the Endura Reach does a solid job. At just over 8 pounds, it's easy to carry around and maneuver, which is a big plus if you have stairs or need to move the vacuum from room to room. The onboard toolkit makes it easy to switch between cleaning tasks, whether you're dealing with corners, upholstery, or tight spaces. And let's not forget the one-touch dirt cup release. Emptying your vacuum is now a breeze, without the need to handle a messy dust bag. In terms of performance, this vacuum does a pretty good job at picking up both large debris and fine dust. On carpets, it pulls up dirt without leaving much behind, thanks to the high-powered suction. The brush roll is designed to agitate the fibers, lifting up embedded dirt and hair. As for hard floors, the CleanPath technology ensures a smooth, efficient clean. That said, it's worth noting that the suction isn't as strong as high-end models, so if you have thick carpeting, you might notice that it struggles a bit with deeply embedded debris. Battery life doesn't come into play here since this is a corded model, but that does come with its own set of benefits. There's no need to worry about running out of juice mid-clean, and the 25-foot cord gives you ample reach to clean larger rooms without constantly switching outlets. However, the cord could be a bit cumbersome if you're cleaning smaller spaces or working around furniture, especially if you don't have the space to stretch it fully. The Endura Reach's filtration system is designed for better airflow, helping it to clean effectively while reducing maintenance. It's not a HEPA filter, so it may not be ideal for allergy sufferers who need the highest level of filtration. But for everyday cleaning, it does a solid job of trapping dust and dirt particles. The dirt cup is easy to empty, but you'll still need to empty it fairly often, especially if you're cleaning larger areas. This is where the vacuum's lightweight design comes in handy. It's easy to lift and empty without straining. When it comes to noise, the Endura Reach is about average. It's not whisper quiet, but it's not overly loud either. If noise levels are a concern, this vacuum may be tolerable for most users, though it could be a bit disruptive in a shared or open concept space. Now let's talk about the real-world usage of this vacuum. Setting it up is a breeze. No complicated assembly or confusing instructions. The 10-foot extension wand is a standout feature here, allowing for quick access to those high spots without having to haul a ladder around. The included tools make it versatile enough for different surfaces and tight spaces. The swivel steering helps a lot when you need to maneuver around furniture, though it could be a little more agile in really tight spaces. As for hair tangling, the brush roll does a good job at picking up long hair without too many issues. That said, you'll still want to clean it occasionally to avoid buildup, especially if you have pets. On the downside, the suction isn't as consistent across thick carpets, and you might find yourself going over the same spot a few times to pick up everything. Also, although the vacuum itself is light, the length of the cord can make it cumbersome when navigating around furniture. In terms of value for money, the Dirt Devil Endura Reach offers a lot for its price. It's a great option for anyone with a mix of carpet and hard floors. It's lightweight, easy to use, and versatile enough to handle everyday messes. However, if you're looking for top-of-the-line suction or superior filtration, you may want to consider other options. That said, for the price, it performs well in most homes. If you're a pet owner or have allergies, you might need to adjust expectations based on the filtration system and the level of suction. When compared to other vacuums in this price range, the Dirt Devil Endura Reach holds its ground. It outperforms some similarly priced vacuums in terms of maneuverability and ease of use. However, if you're after something with higher suction power or superior filtration, you might want to check out alternatives like the Shark Navigator or the Bissell CleanView. These models may offer slightly better suction on deep pile carpet and better filtration systems for allergy sufferers. Build quality on the Endura Reach feels solid, though not overly premium. The plastic body and parts are lightweight, but they don't feel flimsy. Everything snaps together well, and the dirt cup is sturdy, but you might notice a little wear over time with regular use. Maintenance is straightforward. Clean the filters and brush roll regularly, and empty the dirt cup often to keep the vacuum running at its best. In terms of customer support, Dirt Devil has a solid reputation for handling warranties and repairs, so if anything goes wrong, you shouldn't have trouble getting assistance. However, given the straightforward design, issues with the vacuum are likely to be few and far between. So is the Dirt Devil Endura Reach worth it? If you need a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors with no hassle, it's a solid option. It's ideal for smaller homes or apartments, and it does a great job for everyday cleaning. However, if you're someone who needs powerful suction for deep carpets or has specific filtration needs, there are better options out there. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, if you've already tried the Dirt Devil Endura Reach, drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing your feedback. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your floors clean and your house spotless.